Bakit may mga taong tinitipid pa rin ang mga cookware nila? Hindi lang ito tungkol sa brand. It's about the value, long-term savings, lalong-lalo na sa health. Dati, ang iniisip ko lang sa cookware ay presyo. Kung mas mura, mas okay. Hanggang sa napansin kong mas madali itong masira at mabilis kumalawang. Pwedeng may harmful chemicals na humahalo sa pagkain namin. And that's when I realized investing in high-quality cookwares, it's not an expense, but it's a smart choice. Premium cookware, especially those made with superior materials, like special advanced signs, ensures even cooking, longer durability, and healthy meals. Kapag hindi ka palit ng cookware, mas makakatipid ka. At higit sa lahat, you're cooking safer and better for your family. Mas efficient, mas healthy, at mas masarap ang luto every single time. Dati akala ko, basta may gamit na pangluto, okay na. Pero ang totoo, the right cookware isn't just an upgrade. It's an investment for your health and for your home.